actually my first time of doing a tutorial, and I hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comment section.
Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. Before we get into today's video, I want to take this opportunity to wish each and every one of you supporting me out there a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year.
To all my new lovers out here, Genevieve Answer, I am Genevieve Answer, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe, share, comment, like, and also make sure to click on the notification sign to get notified whenever I post a new video. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
A lot of you are in my DM asking about my edges. So I decided to do a tutorial about edges today. So let's get into today's video. My camera is shaking. My phone, sorry. I will be doing three different styles of baby hair, and these are the simplest and easiest way to do edges. All you need are three things. All you need is an Eco Professional gel. I got this gel from Girl Boss Closet and it was so affordable. You know, that's what they do. I also got this 2-in-1 brush from Girl Boss Closet, and the last but not the least is a mirror. You need a mirror for your cute edges. So let's get into this. You apply the gel to this part of your hair and allow it to dry for about 5 to 8 seconds, and then you use your 2-in-1 brush to curve it. Just curve it like anyhow that you want it. Curve it. I think my echo is out. I have to curve it. Simple as that. Can you guys see it? Can you guys actually see what I'm doing? Can you? Can you see it now? So we are going to do it to this side also. We are going to use the same process, and we are good to go. You apply the gel. Ouch! Sorry, sorry about that. You apply the gel here, this part of our hair. You apply the gel here, this part of our hair. You don't really need that much, else it's going to be wet. So we don't want it to be wet. Okay, so just use a little, okay, to get dry. About 5 to 8 seconds. I think it's good. Okay, so it should be okay right now. Shouldn't take that much time. Use your 2-in-1 brush. Just bring it out like this and curve it. Have you seen it? You bring it out and curve. Just bring it out and curve. Bring it out and curve. You're good to go. Okay. This is our first baby hair. Okay, we are good to go. How do I look? Hope you all can see. Don't mind my forehead. We are good to go. So I'm actually done with this part, as you all can see. So I'm done with our first design. This is how it looks. This is the simplest and easiest way to do edges. It will actually dry, or you can use a tissue or anything to clean these parts. Have you seen? This part is not that dry.
This is actually my first time of doing a tutorial, and I hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comment section if you like it, so that I can do more of these videos for you guys.